Welcome to the Dobsonian Power Live Show. Here it is, Arcturus, the star. It's not the star that is exploding right now. Bam! It's not Betelgeuse either. Don't worry, it's not Betelgeuse. When Betelgeuse will explode, I will be here with you to show you live views of it. It's a different star. It's a star that is in a radio galaxy. It's a weird galaxy. It's near Regulus. It's on Leo constellation right now. And it's freaking weird. It's exploding now. We'll try to watch it. We'll try to watch it with a telescope that is outside. Excalibur. It's here. Everything is ready. Thank you so much, Rene, for being member for 1 year. 1 year. Thank you so much and congratulations. Congratulations to be with us, always in the Serenity. Furthermore, we had, and we still have, the Comet C/2025 R3 PANSTARRS that is headed towards the Sun 2 days to get a perihelion, so the closest approach to the Sun. Right now, it was today in the morning, it was the best, in theory, the best views, naked eye or with binoculars, to that beautiful comet. We were, although I told you yesterday that I couldn't get it here because of the position of it, but I was talking with Chris Green, our Ultra Explorer with telescope on Texas, and in the morning, he was very early with all prepared to watch it. I wanted to make the surprise. Unfortunately, the weather, the clouds rolled in, and it was not possible. He messaged me. I had everything prepared here early in the morning as well, but it wasn't possible. So, next time will be. However, the good news is that now it will reach in 2 days, it will reach the perihelion. Then it will get between the 23 and 26. It will be closer to... it will be on LASCO views. So we will be able to watch it from the NASA instrument. And then it will make the closest approach to the Earth on the 29 and or 26. And we will be able to watch it from here with the Excalibur. Thank you, Quasar, for sending 5 new members to the Serenity. Thank you so much. So it's good news. We will watch it. And sometimes after crossing near the Sun, it's when they get crazy. Sometimes they explode like you had it with the A1 maps. That exploded in the Sun. We warned you. Breaking news here in real time. Furthermore, we have a massive coronal hole in the Sun, man. It's dangerous. Expect, as I said to you yesterday, expect impact of the solar wind, fast solar wind today, starting today. It's already forecasted by NOAA as well and NASA. And there's a correlation known by scientists, a correlation that with the coronal holes, large coronal holes in front of the Earth, and the higher magnitude earthquakes on Earth. Right now I was checking, we are only between 4 and 5 magnitude, so at any moment it can happen. At any moment it can happen, be aware of it. Most likely during the weekend we will have bad surprises. The Book of Love, thank you so much for the super sticker. So right now, I was calibrating the telescope. Let me see, it seems like the wind is coming. Let me check outside if everything is alright. And then we will go directly to the supernova. If you're enjoying the show, remember to give it a like to spread it all over the world. Well, in fact, there's a bit of wind now, but it was the wind. I can't complain because thanks to the wind, man, look at this. Remember that I posted the Explorers, members of this channel? No, I posted on Discord yesterday. Man, look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this. This is where I am. This is where I am, man. 16 of April. While I was sleeping, still sleeping. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Maria Williams, for sending 5 new members to the crew of the Serenity. I just stick a sticker there in a telescope with the Serenity. We have these stickers, they are very inexpensive. We have them on the deck. We have the Serenity, this was the one that I stick today. We have the freaking spaceship as well. On the merch on dobsonianpower.com you have down on the page, roll down and you have it. Chris, thank you so much. Chris Green is in the house. It was a shame, Chris Green, it was a shame, but it is what it is. The universe didn't want us to live stream the comet.
1605 super chatted $20. Bam.
Bam! It will be awesome. But you can see that we are always there, ready to go. Always. Thank you so much. So this was moving forward. My luck was the wind. So it cleared everything. I was complaining here about the wind. Thank you, Jennifer Denning. Thank you so much. Our artist in the house. Thank you so much for your super sticker as well. So I can't complain too much about the wind. Thank you, Kartser.
Monster F2R super chatted $2.65. Made alive. No ketchup, Cordy 2 night love to all.
Okay, no worries. Thank you so much. Let's go to the supernova. Regulus first we'll see something weird. There's something weird with Regulus. There's something weird everywhere. Many things happening. The comet now. The alignment with the planets, the new moon, it's new moon today, weird coincidences, you know, new moon today, we have this supernova near on Leo constellation as well. We were watching yesterday that weird massive 60-kilometer diameter, the size of Houston. They say it's a comet. Well, super weird, near Regulus as well. We were watching Sharon, that weird, they call it an asteroid controlled by Jupiter. Weird, because it's not anywhere classified, it's only on NASA. It's crazy. They don't know very well what is it. And it's near Regulus as well. Something is happening. Can it be the prophecy that will occur at the end? I don't know, man. I don't know. But something... Weird coincidences, right? So let's go to Regulus. That is here. Right here, man. Look. Regulus, it's right here. Here, you see? Then Sharon, it's here. The other object, it's here. This is the supernova. But first, let's go... Well... Yes, let's go to Regulus to see if it's red. Let me connect the telescope first. Connecting Excalibur. Excalibur connected. Moving telescope. Where is telescope? Okay, it's moving. Excalibur. Let's confirm everything is alright. I need to go outside. I need to go outside because of the cables, man. I have fear that the cables mess with it. Hold on. I'm being a bit picky with this because it's in the beginning. I'm learning this telescope is very, very complex. Okay, turning off the light. And let's check. There we go. You see the difference of color from Arcturus to Regulus? It's not red. Not red yet. Not red yet. Still blue. It's a blue star. It's very, very shiny and bright, but it's still blue here. We still have clouds from the shenanigans, but we can see... What is a supernova? It's an explosion of star. Look, usually people refer to stars in a way that I prefer a different way. I will tell you why. They say when a star dies, it turns supernova. It explodes. But I don't think it's something that it's over. It's just a transformation of something in the universe. Because that star, how can it die? Because it spread life all over. When there's a supernova, it's thanks to the supernova that me and you are here. Because that stardust, it's spread it all over, and it forms new systems like our solar system. That's how our solar system was formed. So a supernova, it's basically, roughly speaking, an explosion of a star. It's the end, but the end of a cycle to start another one. Like what I believe it happens to us. We are here in a small amount of time in this planet with this body that you and me have. In a very short amount of time. It's just a journey and it's a cycle. It began and it will have an end. And then we will return to the universe, right? So it's not the end. It's like the stars. If you look at the stars, look, nobody can tell you, oh, we don't know what happens. Right? You have to speculate. Okay.
At GG Blue 9204 super chatted $2. Will this supernova make Regulus look red?
That will be great, GG. I don't know. It's happening right now. It's not like an explosion of 1 second. It's happening. It's exploding and it's expanding and getting brighter. Look at the universe. We look at the universe. We see the Fibonacci sequence everywhere. We see the golden ratio everywhere. We see patterns everywhere, fractals, and so on. So if you look at the universe, where everything at a large scale and at a subatomic scale have patterns, identical patterns. If you look at the stars, which are spread all over the universe, they do that. They don't go away. They simply end the cycle and begin another one, a beautiful one. So maybe we do the same, no? We are part of it. That's a way to think with logical thinking. It's just comparing at scale with the universe. Shenanigans will say no. Shenanigans will say no. No, the scales are different, the physics are different, we don't know anything, man. Physics, it will get a moment that will break apart again and renew to a new cycle as the stars themselves. Thank you, and Handel for gifting 20 Dobsonian Power memberships. Thank you. Welcome everyone to the Serenity. You are an explorer. So the telescope is on Regulus, and now I will give the instructions to go to that galaxy, that radio galaxy, where the supernova is occurring right now, which is here. We are here on Regulus. Now I will go to the supernova NGC 3689 radio galaxy. Bam. And I will tell it to go there. Go there, telescope. There it goes. Oh, I have to go outside, man. I can't avoid it. Oh no, I think it's not, it's doing fine with the cables here. Oh ho. Let me see, this cable is fine. The other as well. Very high in the sky. Turn off the light. It's massive, this telescope, man. There we go. Now let's see if it's possible to see it, because we don't know, it's far away. It's in a distant galaxy. You missed the gifted membership because it's YouTube that choose. Takati. You need to be here. You need first to be subscribed, second to give a like to the live streams and be frequently here. Then you will receive and you will have immediately access to the secret chamber, for instance, at Sunday nights, just for members, to polls, different things that shape the channel as well, help. To Discord, just for explorers, where we treat very important things there. Let's see. So, I bet it's the first time I go here. I don't know. I bet it's here, man. I see something here. You see? Do you see something here weird? Man, it should be here. Do you see something here? Different from the rest of the sky? Look, if I zoom out, stars. It should be here, man. Let's see if this software can identify it. Where is it? So many numbers, man. So freaking numbers here. Let me see if it identifies here. NGC 3689. It's here. Where is it? It says it's here. I'm not reading the NGC. I bet it's that.
At Real Thinking Monkey super chatted $6.62.
Exactly, Renee. Exactly
Missed
that.
seeing you live over the last couple days. It's nice to be back on the Serenity with my second family.
Where is it? Real Thinking Monkey. Thank you so much. Missing you live over the last couple... Oh, it's nice to be back on the Serenity with my second family. Right. Thank you so much for being here. We always miss the ones that are always here. I don't see the NGC here. But I bet it's that, man. It's super weird that. This should show. Let me remove this first. Hold on. Let's try like this. Remove this. Look, an UFO. Look, what is this? Here. Look. A tic-tac. Let's see what is it. Oh, no, I messed it all. Oh, no. Here. I disconnected the telescope. Hopefully I didn't make anything. Where are the satellites? It's no satellite here. There's no satellite here. Look, Starlink. It wasn't. It was an UFO. It was an UFO. Okay, let's see. NGC. It's that, man. Look, man, these softwares, I don't know why they do this like this. Oh, it's here. It's so tiny. NGC. It's this, man. It's here. Now we will have to stack it to see if we can see the star exploding, because this should be the galaxy. Man, the freaking smudge here. Super far away, man. Let me center this. All right. Stop it there. Stop it. Right. Let's see if we can see it. Like this. Oh yeah, there's a star exploding there. We can see the freaking smudge, man. There we go. Stardust.
At Mr. Lonely 68 super chatted $5.75. We are all stars waiting for someone who can handle our supernova. Collision red heart.
It's a beautiful way to frame it. It's a beautiful way to frame it, man. Thank you so much, Mr. Lonely. Super shot. Okay. This is this telescope is super powerful, man. It can zoom on everything, man. If we see a spaceship, it's here that you will see it in detail, man. If there's a spaceship out there, now should be one of these explosions. Hold on. Let me check here with shenanigans. So it will be... So the supernova is the 2026 GWX. All right. Got it. So the freaking supernova explosion is exactly this. This, man. This that is here, it's a freaking supernova. So that means, how do they know? Because we map everything. And this galaxy, this radio galaxy, usually don't have this. And now it appears here. This is always here, this is always here, but these are stars. But this is a star exploding right now. You can see the galaxy from above. We are watching it from above. And it's very similar to the Milky Way. So now I will stack it and see what we can see in detail. Man, this is super big. It's bigger than the core of the galaxy, man. It's a buried spiral galaxy. It has a massive, massive, massive black hole in the core. So for the ones that never saw something exploding, it's registered in any astronomy database of supernovae. And it's called the SN 2026. So because it was discovered, SN from supernova, 2026 because it was just discovered, and then GWX. It's the name of it. And this is, and you can see that the spiral arms like the Milky Way are starting to pop. This could be us here. Usually we are like here in a point that we couldn't see if it was the Earth here. And you can see that this is massive.
Thinking Monkey super chatted $2.65. How many light years away is it?
I can't remember, but I will check. Hold on. I know that there are, it's far away. Very, very far away. Distance, well, we can do it here. Directly. Look what you missed, man, the other day. Look at this, man, in my region. Look at this during the night. The shenanigans while I was sleeping. While I was sleeping, the shenanigans doing this stuff. NGC. $36.89. Constellation Leo. 147 million light years. Don't worry. That means that if we could travel at speed of light, we will take 147 million years to arrive there. However, they think it's closer. Only 128. They don't know very well, man. We know very little. It was discovered by William Herschel. It's a radio galaxy. It has giant regions of radio emission extending well beyond its visible structure. Look, my picture, it's not far away from this one, processed one. There we go. The supernova. The type of it, well. All very quiet. So it's working very well. And the explosion is massive due to the comparison with the core of the galaxy. Imagine this happening in our galaxy, man. It would affect us. Right here from this position, so far away, there's no way it will affect us. But if it was in our galaxy that is something like this, it's similar to this one. And this is a faint smudge, man. This is a freaking smudge that now, with this powerful telescope, I'm zooming in and we can see it. We can see it perfectly. You see? Now, thank you, Adam Garcia, for becoming an explorer. Welcome to the spaceship. We have a massive coronal hole in the sun, and we still have things falling from the sky. And this time was again in United Kingdom. Mr. Lonely, thank you for bringing with you 5 new members to the Serenity. Remember, the explorers, you have access to exclusive content. If you want to extend this month of membership, it's only 99 cents a month. You can become an exclusive member of this channel and have access to unique information, content and features. Be one of the pillars of this channel. Oh man, look. Today I had, you saw those things, no, in the sky? Today I had to wash everything with the hose. With water. Full of dust, my solar panels, everything, man. Full of dust. That dust that put me bad a few days ago. Now, fortunately, so they did that, but then the wind blew it all to Spain. That's why yesterday I was here fine and today as well, so I can't complain too much about the wind. Thank you, Decker Mac, for becoming an explorer, and Mizzy Jean, welcome as well to the Serenity. Sit down, enjoy the journey here with us. Oops. A glitch in the Matrix. You live in the middle of 3 airports. Of course, man. It's denial. We live in a world that, you know, denial. Yeah, it's something that I have here recorded. So I don't have to say everything every time. Always the same thing. Yes, my pictures were better than NASA because they wanted. I showed you yesterday amazing pictures they have from asteroids and stuff. Man, for some reason they didn't want. 3A Atlas morphed a lot, had loads of anomalies, morphed a lot. After crossing the sun, they have no explanation for that. They know that there are many shenanigan papers, scientific papers, analyzing those changes on 3A Atlas and unprecedented. So comets don't do that. How dare you to say at the end it was just a comet, man, and it vanished. Something freaking weird is there. Something freaking weird is there. This is the supernova, for the ones that just joined us. It's massive, man. Look at the size of the galaxy. It's massive. It's massive. Not in Greece, but look that these ones were in Italy as well. I saw it. It's close. Okay, we still have, while this is stacking, this is improving the sharpness of it. We still have this time. Look at this one. Each time I see this like this, I prefer to close it. Close. We all screamed when it happened. Bright green fireball meteor cocked exploding over famous Viking right site in UK. Viking. Sue's Sunshine, thank you for bringing 5 new members to the crew. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Sue's Sunshine. Love it, love it. Photographers cocked a spectacular emerald green fireball meteor. It was in Lindisfarne in northeast England, where Viking riders famously destroyed Christian monks in the 8th century. And the Vikings were a bit bad, no? The Vikings were a bit bad. There we go. Who filmed it? Where is it? There? No, it's here. Bam, 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 bam. It's here, look. Super big. American Meteor Society, so this is an official subs. Massive coronal hole is disconnected. Who the hell knows, man? Massive, weird, like a dragon. This is weird, man. Oh, they are talking about it on NOAA. Of course. G2 moderate geomagnetic storm watches from 17 to 18 of April. As we predicted. As we predicted, let's see. We had a flare only, but we have new sunspots as well. Let me open the software and I will show you. We have a sunspot that is getting bigger. It might get us in trouble. Will it be the one this time? And clean all the mess here on Earth? Will it be the one? Let's see. Let's see what happens here in the sun. Yeah, they are everywhere, man. She's always with glitch now. Let's go to the sunspots. No, to the coronal hole first. So, okay. Ooh. What does it look like? Something weird, no? What does it look like? The dragon. Yes, from the we are having now from this coronal hole. Look, the coronal hole is different. It's fast wind that goes away from the coronal hole, from the sun in front of it. What happens is that the magnetic fields here are open. It means, like, imagine that it's invisible. They are invisible. We can't see. It's our brain that tricks us. Our brain only gives us a perception of translated reality. It's not a reality as it is. But imagine that you can see the magnetic fields. That you could see it. Those are connected to the Earth directly in front of us, and the solar wind goes with them. And as the coronal hole rotates with the sun, they will go to the other side. With coronal mass ejections, those explosions of plasma that are triggered by flares and the sunspots, bam, they go in different directions and they start to expand. But they can go to different directions. This one, it's like a cannon, always in front of it. And right now, it's in front of us, right now. Now it's rotating already. We are getting hit by heat. Now. GR Astro, thank you so much. 36 months? 3 years, man. Man, 3 years. Thank you so much, Super Explorer. You are a Super Explorer. Thank you so much, GR Astro, for being always with us. Bam! 36 months. Thank you, Tiago, and much love to the Serenity crew. Love to you as well. Love to you and congratulations, man. 3 freaking years. The time passes so quickly. Look, GR, a good one for your telescopes that we are watching here. A supernova. A supernova. Here. Bam! And today on the TV, now I'm receiving here a message, flights or whatever. And freaking out. Today I connect the TV and it was... How was it? Europe has fuel just for 6 weeks. They'll put us at home again, no? They will, no. One day. I'll find a way. And the measurements. 10 kilometers per hour less in velocity. Restriction. What they are already in the paper. What was more? Flights restriction. What was more? This could be the Milky Way, man. Imagine how many aliens are there and we don't know, man. We have no freaking idea. No, I don't watch TV, Cardstar. But when I'm having my dinner, my meals, it's an old TV and I won't change it just because it's old. It has only this issue. You connect it and it doesn't return to YouTube. Even with settings, it doesn't return. It goes always to shenanigans. So I have to watch a bit of shenanigans, and sometimes it captures my attention, like this news. And to see what the shenanigans are planning. And it was that I took a picture to show my wife and I went to YouTube to watch interesting stuff. A freaking supernova here, man. Huh? What a massive supernova here, man. You take a picture. Bam. if we were here around, as we are in something, a clone of this, can this be a mirror of the Milky Way? And happening, and it will happen as well. And this explosion will mess with us. Will mess with us. That's a thing that... So everything that we watch in the sky, you go outside now. You watch the sky. And you see Jupiter. Well, those are closer. Everything, the sun, the moon, and the planets are closer. But every star are in the Milky Way. The stars that you see are in the Milky Way. So technically they are closer as well. Quasar, thank you for gifting 5 new members to the crew as well. So what many people say, oh, we are always watching the past. Man, think with me. From that perspective, we have to say that you are watching the past right now. You watch the past even when you walk on the street, because what you see, an object, you are on the street, you see a car. That car you see because there's reflection from solar light that bumps into the photons, bump into the car, enter in your eyes process them to the brain to process them. Your eyes deliver them to the brain, so the brain process them and shape the reality for you to survive. It's as simple as that, right? So it takes time from the light to the sun hitting the car. It takes time from the car to your eyes to the light to arrive. Okay, milliseconds. I buy it. But it takes time, so everything it's past. Right now it's past. I'm speaking and you have a certain delay. So everything is past. We can say, but we say that it's reality. No, it's the present. Man, if you watch the sky and you see, for instance, today, you watch the comet, to you it's that moment in time. It's the present too. It's the present to you. So if we are watching an explosion of this star, this is the present. Me and you in this timeline are watching a star exploding. Period. The light traveled at the speed of light and took millions of years to arrive here. Yes. But it doesn't matter, because it's this moment in time that matters. Not the past, not the future. It's right now, in everything. And right now we are watching it exploding. Time bends, time and space, man. Who cares? If you had a camera fast enough, the universe would blink bright and dark very rapidly. Bright and dark. According to classical physics, we can't go further from speed of light, but I believe that we can, and that in the future we will figure it out. What we don't know right now. And that's why probably, we don't know, aliens can reach large distances rapidly.
At Real Thinking Monkey super chatted $6.62. Even when you look at your reflection in a mirror, you're technically looking at an older you, but I agree, now is now.
Now is now. The mirror flips in the sides. Why doesn't it flip upside down? When you look at the mirror, you see the left is right, right is left, right? It flips. Horizontally, I mean. But it doesn't flip upside down. The sun. This coronal hole is the reason of the forecasted impact that we have on Noah. There's a coronal hole here. The sunspot. Forecast. There we go. Let me see. Ooh. It's this, the wind. Woof. Man, we are just in the middle of it. It's like a cloud, man. Look. We are in the middle of a cloud here. This is the Earth. And here as well. This is the Earth and this is the Sun. And this is the stream of wind. Like spiral, you know? It comes like that because of the rotation. Look at us, man, here. This is a different perspective. We are right in the middle of it, and here as well. And here, do mirrors run on quantum physics? Man, I believe that we know very little about quantum physics, but I believe that everything run on quantum physics. No, we just part of it. Don't say we are doomed. I don't know, man. This is the middle of the cloud. So 17, it's right now. 17, this is UTC time, so it was 3 hours ago. We are in the middle. That's why I need to hydrate. I'm so thirsty. Betelgeuse much closer. Yeah. Mirrors freak me out a little. Yes, it's a bit weird. No, it's like another world. A different dimension or something. Look at the sunspot. You see? Here? It's growing. There's a big one at the right. But it's separating. It's not getting closer to the left one. It's moving away from it. Probably won't be dangerous. A small one here. Let's see the impact they forecast in a magnetic field. Today. Orange. It's not red. Man, I feel hot. It's very hot, the weather here. No, it's not red. Bam! Did you see it? It shrank, the magnetic field here. It was here. Look, look, look. Bam! Like a mushroom. Oof. Let's see this one. Oof, another object. I just saw it. Man, this is impossible. Each time now that I go here with you, I see some object going towards the sun. What the heck is happening? I just saw it, man. I have good vision, you know that. Looks like a jellyfish, yeah. I saw it, I will show you. I swear that it's the first time that I watch this. In some days. In a few days. Can we see C/2025 R3? Today was the best day to watch it in the morning. Pre-down, down. How's the Schumann resonance? I won't forget the object. I want to see it. Schumann resonance. Ooh, you. Bam, 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 bam.
Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem. We've had a main beam unrunnable.
Most likely.
Roger, main B undervolt.
Many things.
Okay, stand by 13, we're looking.
Many things happening, many coincidences. Look, let's watch the object. Crazy. How can it be that so many objects always popping here? Magnifier. I'll tell, it was here. Let me zoom the best I can. You see, man, Tiago without glasses and he could see right away. It's the... it's experience. I'm used to it. I'm used to spot anomalies. I love spot anomalies. Look, you'll see. Hold on. There we go. It's here, man. Look, you see two of them. You see two? It's the one at the right. It started, man, it was faint. It appeared from nowhere, I think. No, it's here. It's this, man. You see this little dot here? It will move. How can I do it? To have the magnifier at the same time. Doesn't work. Oh man, it doesn't work. There we go, man. Here, look. Now it's here. It was near this one, it's here. And then it will go, let me see. Bam, the explosion. Man, can it be that they are sucking energy from the sun and it's... the sun is like the gas station to them? This is a glitch. Many of you often post these and ask about this. This is a glitch that I warned when they created this, when they launched this Ghost 19 instrument. Because, you see, this is the Earth, man. This is the Earth. Because this is not like the other one. This one here. This one here. You see? That we have the coronagraph, the red one and the blue. They put an occultation disc here so we can see around. This one here is in the Lagrange point, number 1. It's a point around in front of the Earth, between the Earth and the Sun. It's further away from here in space. So it's always like rotating in a way that it's always there. And nothing comes over it. But the other one, sometimes it captures from the position it is closer to the Earth. It grabs a bit of the Earth. It's nothing... Can it be that... No, they had a glitch. Now we see the objects and then, bam, glitch here in this software. And we can't see anything. Looks like I programmed for that. So this is a glitch. You see the Earth? Oh, look, 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 look. Oh, he's run. Oh, we can see. We can't see. Oh, it is here. It's here, man. What the heck is this, man? Again? Today? Let's see in a different instrument. What's happening, man, here? It was today. So I don't know if it's here already. Yes, it is. Where are you? Don't let me take off the magnifier. Where are you? This is full of glitches, man. Things moving here. This is with a glitch. What's happening, man? The instruments are glitching a lot. This is like boom, 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 like a heartbeat. What's happening with this? Refresh. Start. Oh, it's pumping. What's happening with these instruments? All glitching? Let's try a different one. Here. Soho. Soho. $13, $14. It was on the 17. Today, $15. Come on. 16. And it's over. It doesn't have yet. It's so fresh that it doesn't have it yet. No, it's not here yet. It's only in the other one. Here. Look, you will see it crossing. Here. It goes from here to here. Look, I'll move back. You see it? Bam! And then the explosion. And vanish it. Oh, it was there. After the explosion, I saw it. Hold on. Ah, freaking one. Look, it's here, man. It's incredible. Thank you. Angel, Grim, thank you so much for sending 5 new members to the crew of the Serenity. Thank you. Welcome, everybody. You are now, you know what, an explorer. You are an explorer. Man, I get very excited with these things. It's here, man, look. Where is it? Right here. Here. You see it? It's still here. And then it's still moving. We can see it. It's still there. But the glitch is... And the explosion. Sucking all that plasma, man. The last one that we can see, it's here. I know because it moved. Look. After this, look. It's here. And then it moves there. It's just 2 frames. Just 2 frames, look. Here, 2 frames and it moves. Bam! What the heck is happening there in the sun, man? What is the sun that we have so often? Look at the moon, another glitch. Ooh! You see, it's closer to the Earth, man. It grabs the moon and the Earth's surface. And UFOs as well. Look at the moon. Artemis. A big ejection. Yes, it is a big ejection of plasma here. Look, extending the magnetic fields with the plasma. And here another one. The object here, man. Why? Why are these objects and nobody cares about them? But the last... recently, the last days, we watched loads of them. Loads of them. And it's new moon now. It's all very freaking weird. And the star exploding, look. Here. Bam! In real time. In real time, man, a star here. Look at the galaxy like ours, the Milky Way. And the freaking explosion, man. Bigger than the core of the galaxy. Did you know that they are grabbing loads of... There's an increase of radio signals from the direction of Sagittarius, which is the same direction where 3 Atlas came from. And it's the core of our galaxy. And it's a weird place that nobody can see what's happening there. But what we can see, it's weird stuff. And they grabbed with the radio telescope. They grabbed the weird increment of gamma rays and stuff. Moon is malfunctioning. It was someone with a cord now. Like those that we have for the kids that we hang on the wall. Like this. Oh, they are watching now, look. And there's another thing here near this galaxy. What the heck is this? This telescope is super powerful, man. Can be the eye of God and we here watching it. Nobody else. A freaking weird stuff here. Look, an UFO crossed here. Another galaxy here, man. This is crazy. Look at this one. What the heck is this? A needle? Or maybe it's closer than we think and it's a freaking spaceship.
A freaking spaceship.
Who knows? Man, when this powerful telescope, when it starts to work, it zooms on the universe. This is crap. This is because of the rotation. Another one here. I saw something here. What a lovely telescope I have, man. Another one here. And here. What the heck is happening there? Oh man, I ate KFC. Crap food. And now I'm here. I don't know why I'm still eating those things. And the supernova, it's kind of orangish comparing to the other. Spiral galaxy, like Milky Way. Freaking huge explosion. Right now it was just discovered. For the ones that are picky with this stuff, it's on Leo constellation near Regulus star. So if you watch Leo is very easy to spot in the sky. It's like a triangle that you see, right? And Regulus star, the star of that prophecy with the Sphinx, weird stuff. NGC, it's this galaxy. Shenanigans call it NGC 3689, and it's the supernova SN from Supernova 2026, because it was just discovered. GWX. Bam! Exploding right now. Will it affect us? No. It's too far away. 100-ish million light years. So at speed of light, 100-ish light years to arrive there. Could it be a black hole eating up the galaxy, man? That will be awesome. And watching it here, like a vacuum cleaner, slow one. That will be awesome to see because it's far away. Whatever happens here won't affect us in this one. Can you take a video of it and enhance it? Well, I have... yes, this is recording. Now I record everything. Yes, it's recording. I record everything just in case, man. To have the proof of it. And then I can do a composition. But this takes days. At least. It's super bright. It's super bright now. If I come here, I don't know, in a month, for instance, And I point, let's see that galaxy that had a supernova. This won't be here. This will disappear because it will explode and then dim. And spread life. What if can be instantly? We don't know, man. Artifact. We don't have a freaking idea. We have what we have. The theories and hypotheses and whatever is in the mainstream. But the reality is that we are always breaking everything as well. James Webb is breaking, just found another galaxy impossible, man. It's like the calculations, it's like they say there's a Big Bang and then that they didn't see it. So they believe there's a Big Bang. And then there was the universe is expanding and still expanding. They don't understand why. They don't, because other scientists already discovered the universe expands more in one place than another. So it's all freaking weird and they can't understand that. They never agree on that. But the calculations for those galaxies to exist so early, it's not possible according to their classical orthodox science. So the only explanation they have is that they were created before the Big Bang. So what can it be? Tell me, what is before the Big Bang? What was there before the Big Bang? Nothing. Another universe. It was shrinking. They don't know, man. They don't know. They look like they know everything and they don't know. They don't know, man. It's just a facade that we live. It's our, I don't know, it's like living in a movie that we are flattering each other. Oh, you discover so many good things. And then we discover that it's nothing like that. It's crazy, man. It's true, man. We don't know, and they give prices to each other. That's why AV Loeb sometimes say, oh, if... imagine that AV Loeb knows that it has the instruments and the willingness to find alien life. And he believes, as I believe as well, that one of us that search for alien life will eventually find it. Like 3 Atlas exposing more of itself, and you know, it's here. Now it's so evident that you can't hide it. And he knows that it can happen during his lifetime to him. And when that happens, he doesn't want a Nobel Prize for it. Well, actually, I think shenanigans won't give them a heck. But, you know, if the pressure is too much, oh, we discovered the first aliens. He doesn't want, and I understand why. Because of this fake reality. What the heck is this? Near the galaxy, in the edge. Man, how can a smudge be with this telescope? Is amazing, man. I love this telescope. It was a little bang before the Big Bang. Maybe a black hole. You know, there's an hypothesis, a theory. Well, they call it a theory. From it's someone from Poland. I don't know the name of the scientist that says, it's interesting. It's a different one. It says like, so the universe, it's like that expanding from the Big Bang. But the Big Bang was a moment in time that is like a bottleneck. And imagine the bottle is the universe. You have a bottle. I don't have any bottle. Oh, well, I have. You have a bottle here. I will explain to you the theory is interesting. You have one bottle. This is the universe. Our universe. It starts here. The cap is the Big Bang. And then what he says is that there was another universe before, like this. The scientist, it's not user 3679 on X. A scientist with scientific paper. Shenanigan. Bottleneck. Big Bang, it's here. It was like the universe flew towards this region where the Big Bang was, and like in a supermassive black hole, and it came from the other side and bam, it exploded. So it was a universe before that was like doing and the scientific calculations was this. It was doing like this, rotating, zoom, 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 and bam, Big Bang. Crazy, man. I never forget this one because it was weird and it makes sense at the same time. The message from the lady that Regulus will turn red on Easter. Man, it didn't. We were here watching Regulus. Actually, we just watched it. It didn't turn red. He failed. Quacks with a bottle. That explains the spin exactly. What was interesting, I can't remember. I'm not a scientist, but when I read that article and the paper, it all made sense. That's why I don't forget the.
At David Jones 519 super chatted $5. Chiagu, thank you for another amazing live and bringing the Serenitanes together. It's a great time to be alive and live this experience with you all.
Thank you, David. With you as well, all together. We don't freaking know the future, and we don't know something big is about to happen, and we never know. But we will be here together for sure, in peace and harmony. Very important. In peace, underestimated nowadays. In peace and harmony. It's almost brown. Well, it's something here weird. And there we go, the explosion. Yes, 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 it's almost brown. It's kind of weird. It's different than this star. This is a star. Freaking explosion and super big. Well, from this telescope. Now we can do. Let me see if I showed already everything here. Well, the object, another crazy stuff here, the moon and the earth here, everything weird. Impact today, we are leaving it. Now, another weird thing on Regulus. Chris Green, I don't know if you are watching, but then if not, I will talk with Chris Green. Because this will be an event with Regulus again. I don't know what's happening with Regulus since Easter. Yes, it didn't turn red, but something, it's always something there in Regulus. And the event will happen, and only in the United States will be visible. Regulus will disappear and reappear before your eyes during its last North American occultation in the current cycle. I'm sure that Chris Green will want to watch it. This was already. So the region will be this. The regions that will be available. So thank you, David. Finally, now Cardstar has to find a way to figure it out. This is a white hole. Its theoretical characteristics is identical. I think it's something like that. I heard about the black holes being the opposite of the white holes. So one goes in, the other goes out. Could be that. Could be something like that. So the region will be this part. This is United States and Canada. And it will be this region. Well, Brazil as well. Mexico, all Latin America, the north of Latin America. We'll watch as well. Here, Cuba, Florida. Well, the best regions will be these circles here that have nobody here. This will be on April 26th, so it's not far away from now. I can't see it from here. You can see that I can't. But if Chris Green wants to join us or any other explorer, we'll share the views with us with a telescope. We'll prepare that. I sent to him already, so. But there's another event, but that will be on August. That will be only here. Will be only here. What is this? Will be only here. You know what? I messed with the solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse on August of 2026 will be here. Portugal and Spain only. Portugal and Spain. Let me put the explosion again. What was it? Explosion. This one. That one, you will see it here.
At Jennifer Denning 16 super chatted $5. You have a new fan. Little
Yeah.
Melody is 7 watching you for the first time. Her brown heart was instant. Thank you.
Thank you, Jennifer. You have any fun? Little Melody. It's one of your doctors. Watching for the first time. Her love was instant. Thank you. Thank you. Much love for you, the three of you. That are a beautiful family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this will be on the 26th. We'll see if Chris Green is available. And it's an occultation of Regulus. So the moon will kind of look like swallowing Regulus, but then it will pop from the other side. We have the power to do that. Chris Green telescopes as well. We'll see Regulus. Maybe it turns red this moment. Who knows, man? Who the heck knows? Then Chris Bledsoe will come. Oh, I said Easter, but it was after Easter. That is like the travel is cheaper after Easter, no? And you can see here in this image, Boston will miss, Washington will have it, Chicago, Miami, Denver. Hold on, here you don't see anything. Chicago, Miami, Denver, Austin, you see Chris here, Austin, Texas, Los Angeles. We'll have it, to have an idea. The good thing is that in naked eyes probably you can see something. It's not so spectacular as with a telescope that you can zoom on that region. And who knows what happens. Maybe the aliens that are there on the moon appear. Who the heck knows? It's Regulus again, man. I don't know what's happening with Regulus, but it's Regulus again. So solar wind right now and a fireball. So now we can, let's see what we have here in the sky. Melodies. He's a friend. Okay.
At Jennifer Denning
Okay.
16 super chatted $2. Melody is a family friend.
Thank you so much, Melody. Welcome to the Serenity. It's a beautiful name, Serenity. So let's see. If I zoom out, there we go, Regulus here. Let's take this, like this. It's connected, okay. If I zoom out, let's see what we have here. Let me open the other one. Here I don't have. Maybe here. On the smartphone. Let's see what I can show you to start the weekend with good frequencies. Let me check what we have on space. Okay, Regulus, Arcturus. There we go. There's the sombrero that we saw already. It's beautiful. Okay. I will show you what happens after the supernova explosion when it's super strong and spread all the materials. This one looks like an animal that you will recognize. Altitude. Okay, I think I can see it. Let me check the telescope. Let's finish this one. A beautiful one. There we go. And here we can see just a smudge there. Let's go first for the telescope. Not to freak out, let's go to... Well, I can go exactly there. So here, you see the Big Dipper is this, the Ursa Major. You see, it's upside down. The legs here, the tail here. Another thing that yesterday, with that freaking 29-piece Schwarzmark, that we saw here, Schwarzmann, 60 kilometers wide comet, they say, that is around the Earth. Another thing that after the live stream came to my head, it had no tail as well. Freaking weird for they say it's a comet. We have to check that. So let me see the number of this. Okay, this is called the Owl Nebula. It will be a funny moment to see, and scientific moment as well, to see something that looks like a owl nebula. There we go. You see, right below the Big Dipper. And now what? Here. Slew there. Where are you going? Ooh, the cables. Oof, the cables. Let me check the cables outside. It's cool. There we go. Should be this. Look. And you'll see the beauty of it. To start the weekend with something really weird, beautiful, and that was a result of a supernova as well. That was the remnants, we can say. Let's see the power of this telescope on this. I'm curious. There we go. Big boy. There we go, big boy. Let me stabilize this. Restarting. It's weird what we have surrounding us, right? It's weird, man. And this is the eyes of the owl. And this has reddish tint around it. Man, this telescope is freaking powerful. Crazy. Powerful. You see the owl? Man, this is like a very tiny one. Well, more or less. Look at the star here. Well, it's big. It's big. It's big. Comparing with the star here, the left, it's big. So it exploded, and then it made like a circle that expanded. And with this red thing here, they say it's hydrogen. And this blue thing here, they say it's oxygen and more stuff. And two eyes. Nebula. Looks like a photon. That's the thing of the universe. The scale. It's the nebula. It's the remnants of an explosion of a star. I don't know if this is the star that exploded and now it's a white dwarf or something. Let me check. Old Nebula. Old Nebula. Look, mine is not as good as the Hubble one here, but it's just 2 minutes watching it. They take it days or hours or whatever. This is closer. 2000 light years away. This is not like the other one. This is 2000 light years away. So, at the speed of light, a spaceship will take 2000 years to arrive there. They think it has 8000 years old. Well, younger than the pyramids. Younger than the pyramids. The pyramids were older, no, than what they tell us. No. They show things that look like they are older, no, from a different civilization or something, or aliens. It was formed from stellar wind of the central star. It's the freaking star. It has 3 shells. Hydrogen, as I said to you, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. Sulfur is good. I need to talk with you about that in the gardening section of Discord. I think spraying... I have sulfur, systemic sulfur, to spray in the plants. I used last year to fungus. In the gardening channel. So the central star passed the turning point in its evolution and it's forming a white dwarf. Thank you, Kartzer. Kartzer, you have to figure it out how to go to Discord, man. You have to figure it out. Everything happens there. Everything that doesn't happen here. The star has been successfully resolved by the telescope Spitzer Space. Well, and not only that, they should put here, and the Excalibur. Not only the Spitzer, and the Excalibur.
Excalibur.
The Excalibur as well. Nothing weird. They discovered recently a giant red halo of wind extending around its inner shells. A drawing of it. Man, mine is beautiful. It's better than this, man. This should be on Wikipedia, the Excalibur. They put that image, but this one is more... No, it's not to brag or something, but it's... And it's not processed. It's just pointing there to watch. And this telescope is beautiful, man. It's the Dobsonian power, man. The sun is 8 light minutes away. Yes, it's past as well as from that hypothesis. To us, it's the right now. It's right now what matters. So 8 minutes at speed of light. That's why the solar flares that travel at speed of light take 8 minutes to arrive here and give us a headache. It's a freaking
Nebula.
Red circumstellar disk. Yes, something, I don't know, man. Ask AV Loeb. Coffee is great for plants. Man, I use everything. Now I'm solving, and it's working, a pomegranate from red spider mites. They are gone. Because those bugs, we spray with water, for instance, and then they come back. They're still there, and you see the nets, very tiny. But now, there are no nets anymore. I think I solved, I pruned heavily as well. Who works on houseplants? Coffee grains. I tried the coffee grains, but it didn't work. No, the rest of it. What was for ants or something, no, that I placed there. But we can't put too much, otherwise it will change the pH of the earth or something, the soil. 8-minute headache. Man, the Excalibur, it's powerful, man. It's very, very powerful, this style. Imagine for iAtlas now. What will be? Stay tuned, man. The ones that aren't subscribed, be. If you like this kind of content, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with videos and live streams. I used the soap insecticidal soap with neem oil. But I think what was important was first pruning, because it was all dry. I pruned the pomegranate, and then I gave different times of the day a wash. Strong wash. And it blew everything. And then again, I will do the neem oil again. You know, it's organic. I could use a spray that... I could go just there and do like this. And everything was over instantly. But I don't, because it's for our... It's edible, no? Pomegranate. We will eat, hopefully. Neem. I understood that it was neem. I use neem oil and dish soap, insecticidal soap. That is good. And then I add something else always. Now I have to spend until it ends. It's nettle liquid or something. It's nettle. Urtica nettle. And I have there. It's compatible. It helps, and it helps to protect the plants or whatever. But when it's over, I will try another one, and I will see what works better to me. I'm getting old. I don't understand what. This has... Look, nature has no age, man. That's the beauty of it. That's... I don't have any man... The pollinators are not here. Aren't here yet. Look. Did you see that at the beginning? The ones that are from the beginning. Did you see that in the sky? A day after, well, I didn't took a picture, but loads of bees here in the observatory. It's up here, they fall here. Mycelium in the soil. Yeah, I heard about that. But look, the other trees and plants are very fine. It's only that one that was attacked. I grow garlic and sweet potato in my fish tanks. I don't have a garden, so I grow all indoors. It doesn't matter. You can grow anywhere. Garlic, look, you don't have, but you can grow garlic. I tried already garlic, organic one, and it didn't grow. How plants react to different vibrations or talking? Yes, I test. Yes, they react well. They like it. I whistle, and I don't know. I talk alone, but I do it with or without the plants. So Discord. You're getting old because of this. Man, don't, it's you saying to yourself that. It's easy, man. It's just to connect there. Look, I will put here the link. Try this link. Sometimes it's the device that you use. For some reason, you have to try with a different device. But people try once and they can't. And then they think, oh, I'm old. And it's not, man. It's not. Look. Here is it in a shot. Discord. You go there. If you aren't an explorer, you won't see anything. But you enter and then you go to user settings. It's there on the pictures. It's there explaining. I posted the pictures. You can see it. And then you connect YouTube account. You will connect your YouTube account and that's it. That's all you need. The old Nebula. I love garlic. Me as well. It's a pure joy to grow. Man, I need to do it. Can I... is it better to... Here we go with gardening. Is it better to plant the garlic on winter or on summer? Because I can try it again now. On winter it was like a few leaves or something, and poof, didn't grow. Mint. I'll have to spend time in my garden. I'm always there. I'm thinking of digging a hole and putting a log to decay and add nutrition to my soon to be small veggie garden. Whatever. Do plant whatever or seed or whatever you like, you enjoy, and then see what works for you. Because I planted many things that don't work. The ones that work and that I like, I double down on that. So now I have loads of potatoes planted, strawberries as well. Man, I took a picture today to post on Discord. I think I forgot. Yes. Look at the potatoes, man. They are still covered. Look at this, man. You see? They are super healthy. Bags and bags of potatoes. You can shut down the supermarkets. Doesn't matter to me. I have too much plant pots. My girlfriend gets mad. Love strawberries, me as well. We were eating today. They are mine. Strawberries, you have the June strawberries that grow a lot in June and then it's over. But mine are all year. So as soon as the heat comes and the sun, like now, boom. And they don't give so many, but they give all year. So at the end of a year, I have more than the June ones. And I have during autumn as well. I can go outside and eat one and another. It's very nice. Yellow squash growing. I love potatoes. Man, the potatoes are underground. It's the leaves only. Look, the potatoes, it's like bread. Having bread. I'm hoping for lots of potatoes. I want to have a permanent production of potatoes, even on winter, because this winter I planted and they grew up. Smaller, less potatoes, so the harvest was smaller, but they gave potatoes. You have better climate than UK. The climate is different everywhere, but there are things that you can plant there perfectly and they grow and here I can't, man. There are things that here it just doesn't work. You can live on potatoes. Exactly. Exactly. Hydrates, carbohydrates. And it fills, no? And you can do soup as well. You put something with potatoes. I don't know. You destroy the... How do you say in cooking? I don't understand about cooking. You smash the potatoes. You put water. And you put different vegetables accordingly. What you like. I don't know. Whatever. And you boil it. And it fulfills you, man. And it gives you energy and vitamins and warms you and whatever. I'm getting hungry. Meat and potatoes, but meat, you know, meat no. I eat a lot, but not to have. Well, I eat nettles And dandelions. Man, do you know that we have loads of dandelions here? I know that the dandelion, according to many people, they have special characteristics and beneficial. They are beneficial to different health issues and I don't know. The tea, the stem as well. And Natalie's urtica. I hate that plant when we touch and my skin gets all red and scratching and whatever. Can we look at and around Jupiter next week? Look, I was thinking that before the stream. I looked at west and I said, well, it will be awesome if we could zoom. It was not Jupiter. This time I was thinking moons of Jupiter. Not the 4 Galilean moons. Different moons that they don't show us. But it's not in a good position, man. Well, maybe if it's at the beginning of the live stream. I will study that. Maybe if it's at the beginning, right at the beginning, we still can watch Jupiter. You eat a dandelion, but what? What do you eat, Angie? You have to share that on Discord. We have dandelion here. Actually, here it's a bit like a plague. So if we can turn a plague into something good. Dandelion soup. Release histamine and chemicals upon contact. When cooked, of course, that's why I use the liquid, the nettle, no? The nettle, you are talking about the nettle. Man, you are all gardeners, man. Dandelion teas, very rich in vitamins. We boil it. Don't water your potato after. No, I never do that. It stays with, well, I do like this, but it stays with that soil. Attach it. Don't water the soil. Don't water your potato after initial planting. Until you start to see their first leaves are coming out. How can I do that if this is super hot? The soil gets like stone. I can't do that, man. I have to water something. It depends on... I'm on zone 9B or something. 9B. It's very hot, man, and dry. What do you do with the basil? I had basil and I didn't know what to do with it. I have the leaves, I think, there. Dry. What's the news have I missed? You missed the potato, tomato, like... You have to rewind, man. We are at the end now. Make sure your soil is not too dense. Okay. I live in the desert and it works here. Okay. But why that? Why do we do that without water? Man, there's so many things that I don't know. We grow tomatoes from the seeds. Well, I'm doing that. I saw it sprouting and... Oh, this was from the tomatoes that fell on the... We'll see if they work. Basil with tomato... for a sauce, okay. Spring is hit or miss for moisture. Man, you are super gardeners. You know a lot about it. I have a gardening channel as a hobby. Peppers are sprouting. Basil. Oof, I could be here all night reading you. Well, but I will land the spaceship. It's my back. I can't be too much time sit like this in an office chair. Pesto. Pesto is that sauce. I like it. Yes, basically it's that with the Italians do that a lot and put in a pizza, no? Gardening is relaxing and rewarding. Exactly that, man. It's the connection with nature. You are doing grounding while you're caring about nature. Nature cares about you. That's it. You receive from the universe good vibes. You interchange the electricity so that you have with the earth. It's very good. Sometimes it's simpler. We don't need to put too much, to complicate too much, to simplify. We can simplify and connect with nature, and it's all we need. Well, thank you so much. Hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you, the Explorers, on Saturday night on the Secret Chamber, and all of you on Monday again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great weekend. Stay positive. Outro.